If you're selling a home in El Paso, Texas, or buying one here in El Paso, there's one mistake that can cost you thousands of dollars. And it starts with not knowing the difference between a home warranty here in El Paso to see what it covers and also the difference between a home insurance. So if you've been searching for a home warranty here in El Paso, Texas, or wondering whether you really need a home warranty, well, let's plan before you decide to sell or buy, because today you're in the right place. I'm going to take it step by step and break it down a little bit into simpler terms that you can understand so that you know exactly what each one covers, what they don't cover, and how to protect yourself from that expensive surprise. So, one of the biggest misconceptions I hear from homeowners is that home insurance and home warranty are basically the same thing. Well, guess what? They're not. While they both help protect your investment, and what I mean by investment is your home, they protect you in completely different ways. So, understanding the difference can save you a lot of stress, especially if you're preparing to sell your current home or to buy your first home, or even when relocating in and out of El Paso. So, let's start with home insurance. Home insurance is designed to protect your home from unexpected disasters. For example, fire, wind, hail, theft, vandalism, or even certain types of water damage. If a storm damages your roof or a fire affects part of your home, that's typically where your home insurance policy comes into play. Most mortgage lenders actually require homeowners insurance before they'll approve your loan because it protects the structure of the home. This is very important when you are thinking of purchasing a home up on the mountain. They have stronger winds than a lot of the homes in the upper valley, or let's just even say central El Paso. So if you're up on the mountain, you might really want to consider that warranty. Also, a home warranty, on the other hand, is a service contract. It helps cover the repair or replacement of major systems and the appliances. So, for example, if they fail for normal wear and tear, well, think about your air conditioning system during a hot El Paso summer. If it suddenly stops working because it simply reaches the end of its life, your homeowner's insurance probably won't cover it. But that's where your home warranty may come into play. The same goes for items such as your water heater, your dishwasher, your oven, your plumbing, electrical systems, and it's also going to depend on what kind of plan you choose. Most home warranty companies, they're open to having a one-on-one discussion with you so that you can know exactly which plan is the right one for you. So now here is where it becomes really important if you're buying a home. A home inspector, they can tell you the condition of many systems, but it can't predict exactly when that system is going to fail. That's why many buyers ask the seller to include a home warranty as part of a purchase. It gives you additional peace of mind during that first year of home ownership when unexpected repair bills can really add up. And a lot of times when you do use a home warranty, they're going to charge you like a $65 service fee, but then they will cover that appliance as they come in to inspect it. And if they can't find the exact same model, they will match it or give you something similar or an upgrade. Now, if you're thinking of selling your home, offering a home warranty can also make your property so much more attractive to home buyers. It shows that confidence in your home, and you can reduce concerns that you have when you're signing over that home to a new buyer. It helps with their doubts, especially if you have older systems or appliances. In some cases, it can even help prevent small repair issues from turning into a larger negotiation during your escrow process. By the way, if we haven't met, I'm Joanne Garcia, your realtor. I help sellers and buyers and families throughout El Paso make smart real estate decisions. One of my specialties is relocation. So whether you're moving into El Paso, Texas, leaving the area for a new opportunity, or relocating across Texas or anywhere in the country, I can help make that transition so much more smoother. Having someone who understands both the local market and the relocation process can make a huge difference. Another question I get asked is whether home warranty is worth the cost. The answer depends on the age of the home, the conditions of its systems, and your comfort level with unexpected repairs. For many homeowners, the yearly cost is much easier to manage than a surprise repair bill from an HVAC system or a major appliance. The key is understanding exactly what is covered, what's excluded, and what service fees may be applied before purchasing a plan. It's also important to know that not every home warranty company will offer the same coverage. Some plans include additional options. For example, if you have a pool or a septic system, or you want to upgrade your appliances, while others will have limited protection. Regarding, just read the fine print and compare the plans, and this can help save you so much frustration later on. One story that I do have, and I do definitely want to share, is that at one point I had a home buyer and a home seller that were in the process of getting ready to go to escrow. And the day before, the pipes bursted and there was water all over the place. And it sat there overnight. And when we came back to do a walkthrough, we realized that the house was flooded. That's where your home warranty can come in, and it can help you with drying down the floors, replacing the tile or the carpet or whatever got wet, making sure that a mold inspector comes in and they make sure that there is no growth mold. And then a lot of times they'll even upgrade your kitchen, which is what happened in their case. So it is very, very important that you get home insurance. Home warranty is a perk, but I highly recommend it on any home. Before you decide to buy or sell a home, I would love to help you make that decision for your special situation. If you have any questions about home warranties, home insurance, relocating to and from El Paso, or anything related to real estate, text me 915-626-6169. I'm always happy to answer any questions with no pressure. Again, 915-626-6169. I'm Joanne Garcia, your realtor, and I specialize in helping sellers, buyers, and relocating clients throughout El Paso and out of El Paso. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from knowing the difference between a home warranty and a home insurance. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.